what's up? I was wondering where I put that.
Hasn't come up yet.
Just kidding, I knew it was here. Alright, so I made sure the power's off. But I'm going to take this plug out. This side right here is where the power comes from the house. It comes into this outlet, goes over to an outlet right there, and it also goes down. I don't need any outlets up here right now, I need them down there. So I'm going to take this outlet off, take this wire off for the other outlet, and then I'm going to put probably just a regular box like that here. I will get a cover for it, I don't have any right now. But the only issue is, I don't know what that nest is. And then there's two more over here.
I want to see what that nest is.
There's one there, also has a nest. And there's one there, but there's another nest. So I don't know, you guys might end up seeing me get stung by a bee or something. Guys, I'm shining a flashlight on my face so you can see me, but anyway, I don't know if you guys are interested in this or not, but it's really all I have going on today. I'm going to do a little bit of wiring in the barn. I got some lights working. This is not my work, this is someone else's. Alright, so since I don't know what these nests are, I think they're mud wasps, but I really don't know. I'm going to carefully pick this up, take it over to one of those holes over there, and yeet it outside. So my oldest says we should just throw something at it. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if there's anything in it. I'm going to end up hitting my camera. Alright, there's nothing in there. Awesome. I didn't see anything come out. I completely forgot that there was windows in here. So, yeah, the windows are open and now we have a lot more light. Don't know what I was thinking. Just hopefully the wood holds on the windows and the windows don't slam shut and scare the crap out of me. So yeah, I got that taken apart. You guys probably don't know, but I was an electrician for 2 years, so I kinda, sorta know what I'm doing. But yeah, as I'm sitting here taking this apart, I hear a bee flying around. I don't know if you guys can see him. Probably not. Right there. Right under the table. Yeah, you can't see him in the camera. But he's not happy. It's some kind of wasp. Probably a mud wasp. That's what those nests are. Really like 6 of them flying around right now. And they're by the one that I threw crap at. So that's awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna hurry up. I probably won't film too much because I really don't feel like getting stung by a bee. I'm not allergic or anything, it just, nobody likes getting stung by bees. Alright, we're down on the bottom of the barn now. I got all that taken care of up there. I don't know why I'm showing you the roof. Well, whatever. Anyway, did this yesterday. I just hardwired everything and just make sure that light works. It does. I got one of the outlets. That's all I could acquire before, you know, bees. So, yeah. Gonna put that plug back on this side, which is the lights, and go from there. Alright, so I'm not really sure how well you guys can see this, but yeah, I know I have way too much out. But got it in the box, everything ready to go on to the receptacle. Alright, recep is wired up. Get it in the box, I get the box on the wall. I know that's not pretty at all, but it'll work for now. So I can get it done the right way. That's wired up. No power, as you can see. Maybe. Yeah, see, no power in there. And then plug wired up. I'm gonna hit the switch. Should be power in there. And then plug the light in. And then I'll be able to work in here at night. Instead of come home from work and not do anything. I won't have any excuses now. Alright, I'm gonna run in the house and hit the switch. I don't know if you guys can really see much, but this is the tester. I have it shoved in there, so yeah, I'll go hit the switch and that should start beeping. And you guys will know before me. Actually hear that from in the house. So yeah, that's that. Now let's see if the light works. Or sparks fly or something. Ta-da! Still know what I'm doing. Sort of. Yeah, I actually had this light working last night, so I knew it worked. And like I said, I just had all that over there hardwired. I didn't have a recep or anything. I'm gonna get a cover for that and finish the upstairs whenever I get bee spray, because I don't feel like getting stung. There is a bee's nest in that light somewhere. We had them flying around yesterday. I can hear them now. But anyway, yeah, I mean, now I don't care what time it is anymore. I can, you know, just hang out in here, work on my car some more. Probably not tonight. But yeah, you know, I can do it after work now. Mosquito. Yeah, I want to get some more. I want to put one back there farther. Probably one up here, and maybe one on that wall. And one maybe down here, facing this way. So I can kind of see down here a little bit better. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I said a long time ago, when I first bought this house, that I would shoot some, you know, of me doing stuff around the house and whatnot. If you guys don't like it, let me know in the comments. If you do, let me know in the comments. There is a reason why I did what I just did. It's not technically for the light. I mean, it is, but it's not. It's also that way I have power out there now. I don't need to buy an extension cord to run from here all the way out. I have a grinder, sawzall, all that stuff. And there's things that I need to do to that car that I need that stuff for. So now, there's an outlet right there. So, in the next video, you'll see exactly why I needed power out there. Stay tuned. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram at justanother_cardude. And I will see you guys on the next one. This time, I promise, it won't be electric. It'll be the Focus.